Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of wood carving with the Tekchic Wood Carving Kit Deluxe. If you've ever felt the urge to create something beautiful with your own hands, this kit is the perfect starting point for your artistic journey. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming a simple piece of wood into a stunning work of art. With the Tekchic Wood Carving Knife Set, you'll have everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. This kit is designed with beginners in mind, making it easy for anyone to pick up and start carving right away. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, allowing you to focus on your craft without any distractions. What sets this kit apart is not just the quality of the tools, but also the large leather case that keeps everything organized and protected. It's not just a storage solution, it's a way to inspire you to carve out time for your creativity. Whether you're making gifts for loved ones or simply enjoying a peaceful afternoon in your workshop, this kit will be your trusted companion. As you embark on this journey, remember that every masterpiece starts with a single cut. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your imagination run wild. Wood carving is not just about the end product, it's about the joy of creation and the meditative process that comes with it. Thank you for joining us today. If you're excited to explore the art of wood carving, consider subscribing to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Happy carving, and may your creativity flourish!